Morning students, welcome again to the online class of Montvisher School. So my dear students, in this class we will study English grammar. So you all will take it out your book that is of English grammar with a pencil. You will take it out first. You take it out chapter 6. We will revise, okay, and then we will go further. So take it out. Children, I hope that you have done chapter 6. Okay, you have understood it very clearly. Okay, so now in this class we will revise chapter 4. Okay, now chapter 3 we have done the revision, okay, till chapter 3. So now today we will revise chapter 4. Now this nouns, that is naming words, it is very important, because if you will not understand noun, what is noun, so first you need to understand what is noun, then only you can in other chapters you will be able to understand. Okay, for example, in last class we have done chapter 6, that is countable and uncountable nouns, right? So okay, now see example. First you will come to the definition. Words which name persons, place, animal or things are called nouns. All naming words are nouns. Now all naming words are noun. For example, name of person, places, animals or things. Okay, see in person, what is the example? Amit is my best friend. So who is best friend? Amit. Okay, so here Amit is a noun. Okay. Now come to question number 2. The cat runs after the rat. Now here I think here is two noun, right? Now what are the two nouns? Say me. One is cat and the another one is rat. Okay. Why? Because these are the animals. So as I have told you from the definition also, it is clear that what? Say me words which name person, place, animal or thing. Yes, so here what is the noun? Here animal. Okay, cat and rat. Now number 3, Ram and Shyam go to school. So here Ram and Shyam is person. There are two persons. Okay, so here is your noun, this Ram and Shyam. Okay. Now number 4, the bag is on the table. Now here we are talking about thing, that is bag. So bag is your noun. So children, for my main motive is to say is that you need to understand what is noun. Okay, you need to understand. Okay, now turn the page. Now see, in this page number, that is page number 20, we have done the exercises also. What was the exercise? That we have to separate what are the varieties of things. For example, number 1 is your sports. So here we have written sports. Okay, now number 2 is your, see, blue, green, red, orange, it is your colors. So here we have written colors, right? So from this we can identify that what are the group. Okay, now see in question number B, we have done the fill in the blanks with the name of persons who do these things. Choose from the box. Now here what the persons do for us, we have written over here. Okay, now in question number C, what we have written, we have fill in the blanks from the box. To complete this sentence, one is done for you. Now we have to write over here that what is suitable. Okay, so I hope that chapter 4 is very clear to you. Okay, now in our next class we will again revise the our next chapter. Okay, till now you will keep on revising our chapters whatever I have completed. Okay, now, and also you need to practice your grammar every day. Okay, children, I have been telling you that you need to talk in English. If now you are not in school, okay, so that doesn't mean that you will stop talking in English. I have also told you that in my previous classes I have told you that you can talk in English with your parents, with your siblings, that is brothers, sisters. Okay, you can do that. You can talk common things, that mama, what have you made, what are you doing, I'll do this, I'll play today this one. Okay, so these all you can say, you can talk in English, so that it will, while you talk to someone else, you don't hesitate while talking in English. Okay children, I hope you are getting to me what I am saying you. So thank you and do my homework. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye.